Well, Ian's tied up today, so I'll be filling in for AeroBarrier. Let's get right to it. So we're here today sealing this house at framing stage. Now, one of the benefits of sealing at framing stage is that all the roughings are done, all the penetrations are made through the walls and your exterior walls, your joists, whatever it is, and we're able to address the air leaks right now. Afterwards, it's all going to be covered with insulation and poly, and after that it'll be covered in drywall, and we don't know where all the air leaks are coming from. So AeroBarrier at framing stage allows us to get right to the air leaks at your sheathing walls or at your joists, wherever it is. We come now at this stage, seal the whole house. After drywall, we come back again, test again, make sure that the numbers are where they need to be or where they should be. And if there is anything, because construction, anything can happen. So if there is anything at drywall, we're able to seal it again at that point, making sure that the builder reaches their target number or exceed their target number without any headaches or stress. So when we started this morning, it tested at 1.6 ACH at framing, which is really good score. So all the roughings are done. And on the outside, we've got the Siga 500 SA with self-fit here with the oscillation. We've been sealing for about 2 hours now. Hey, what's the score? 0.45. 0.45, wow.